I'm sure you've heard that it's great to create behind the scenes reels of what you're doing. But when it comes to putting it together, you have no idea what to do. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a BTS reel.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
For this BTS reel, I was working with one of my clients who I'm helping create video content. So in it, we were scripting, coming up with some ideas. We actually took a side break to do a values activity, and then we filmed some reels and we started editing. I didn't get much footage of the editing, but I did get a lot of the filming and the pre-work that went into creating the scripts. So I'm just gonna put that together into a reel. So we're gonna go into our Instagram reels. I have two ways I can approach this. I can either use a template or I can start from scratch. If I start from scratch, I need to first come up with a song that I want to use for this. So I'm going to go into my music and I'm going to listen for maybe a song that I think is going to be relevant to this. I don't like to actually select the song and click on it and preview it. I just like to play this play button at the end. Oh, I like this. This never happens. I never actually like the first song. I like this because I have the 1, 2, 3 in it, and I can show the pre-production, the production, post, and then just do some videos after it. So once you have your song determined, then to add footage to it, you're just gonna swipe up. You can see I was taking some BTS from today. So let's see, one is typing. So as I'm adding these clips, I'm already editing. I'm already thinking about when I want the next clip to come in. And to shorten the clip, so you can see when I add it, it's going to have the full clip. What I use is these white bars at the end and I put it to where I want it. I want this, perfect. I'm gonna turn this down a little. There we go, let's add that. Where's one of her filming? We upgraded her set and her outfit, so I want to get one with the good set and outfit. So I want it to stop before that 3. Let's add the third one. I don't want to add more than 5 clips at a time because I find that if I add too many clips and then try to preview it, it often stops working and I have to start over. So when I'm adding clips, I'm only adding 3, maybe 4 or 5, and then I'm going in and I'm going to preview it. Okay, perfect. There we go. Now I can add some more clips if I want. So when I'm adding clips, I want to make sure they vary. I don't want the shots to look the same, and I still want to include some kind of storytelling in it. I don't think these additional shots are needed, so I'm just going to get rid of the last 3. And I prefer this shot over the first shot that I added, so I'm just going to make this reel very simple, just the 3 clips. So to edit that, I'm going to go into Edit Clips, and I'm going to start by reordering them to the order I want. So press Reorder, and I'm going to move this one here, and let's get that one out of there because I don't want that one. And it's press Done when the reorder is done. And now I want to delete these last 3 clips. So to delete them, I'm just going to click on that one, delete, discard. Click on that one, delete, discard. And you guessed it, I'm gonna click on that one, delete, discard. Sweet. Now I can preview this by pressing play or just moving this to the beginning and then pressing play. So as you can tell, this middle clip is too long now. So I need to click on that and trim it. So I'm listening to the audio to where I want to trim it to. So I want to trim it right before they say 2. But I want to pick which part of the video I want to use, and I want this one where she points. There we go. Perfect, I love that. I'm going to save this just to make sure I have it. So to save it is that first one right there. And I can add either voiceover, text, or anything else I want. And when I want to add something to the overall video, what I'm looking for is that that menu is on top and not on the side. This is going to allow me to add graphics and text on top of the video itself. I can select which filters I want to add, and because I'm in the top menu, it's going to apply that filter to all of the clips. If I don't like the filter, I can just click on that filter I used again, and it's just going to get rid of all of them. And I can go through and pick any filter that I really like. And then if I want to add text, I can add text this way. So let's say scripting, And I don't want scripting to appear for the entire duration of this reel, so I'm just gonna click on that text down there, and once I click on it, it's gonna turn white, and then I'm gonna see these indicators. I can just trim that, so it's gonna only appear for when that first clip is on. There we go. And I can preview. See, when that text is transparent, that means it's not going to appear in the video. And then I can do the same by adding the rest of the text for it. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna go to next, and then I can either save my draft or post it immediately. Your YouTube channel is gonna help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. I've created a YouTube action plan to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in less than an hour. Download my YouTube action plan now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.